linear piecewise function. So this is the graph we're provided, and we are told where the actual graphs occur. So we think of these as kind of those boundary lines or the limits of each function, each piece of the function, and we need to actually come up with the equation. So let's start here. This one starts on the very far left, so this is where x's are less than 2. So in your mind, if it's helpful, you can take and think of having a boundary line here. Okay, so to the left of -2, that's this portion right here. So I want to come up with an equation of this line. This is a horizontal line. Horizontal lines will just be y equals a numerical value, and the numerical value can be determined by identifying where would it cross the y-axis. So f of x, same as y equals 3 when x's are less than -2. Done with that portion. Okay, this next one occurs between -2 to +2. -2 to +2. Okay, so I want to come up with an equation of this. Well, it is not only a diagonal line, it is a straight diagonal line. So I'm going to refer to y equals mx plus b. Well, the great part is I can already see where it crosses the y-axis. That's your b. And now the slope is determined from left to right. So good intersection points, rise over run. Rise up 1, run 2. Rise up 1, run 2. A lot of times students forget to attach that x, and that's what makes it wrong. So this is the equation that describes this piece of the function in between these 2 points. Okay, the last one, we also have a diagonal straight line, so I'm going to refer to y equals mx plus b. Now what makes it hard is we don't actually see where this line would cross, so we have to extend it. So I'm finding good intersection points. I'm figuring out what would be the ratio for rise over run. Let's see. Down 1, 2, 3, over 2. Down 1, 2, 3, over 2. So I'm going to do that going the opposite way. 1, 2, 3, over 2. And we can see if I extended it, it would cross at 3. So my b value is 3. Rise over run. So always left to right. Down 3, right 2. Down 3, right 2. And remember, if you forget the x, that's what's going to distinguish it as being the slope. Also, it will be +3. So don't just write -3 halves x 3. -3x plus 3.